Well, I'm on a different side of the fence now. It's a bit lighter. Still, it's not light enough, is it really? I think has it got a crabapple in its mouth? That's a king-parrot, isn't it? Let's have a look at you up close. What sort of parrot are you? You're not a... What are you? Are you a conure or something? There you are. Look at you. Aren't you pretty? I think you are a king-parrot, aren't you? Let's see how close we can get. That's your face. Isn't it lovely? It's hot today, so it's breathing through its mouth. Isn't it glorious? Mottled. There's its tail. Let's have a look at its little feet. How close can we get? Come on, focus. Yes. Turn sideways. Aren't you gorgeous? Aren't you lovely? Just sitting there in the heat. Obviously waiting for me to go away. There are crabapples there. There are lay crabapples, that's E-L-E-Y-I. But there are also green apples, unripe apples for humans, but parrots always like crabapples, don't they? We used to have golden hornet crabapples. There's one sort called gorgeous, which are bright red. Golden hornet are yellow. But listen to them talking to each other anyway. They've been eating green apples and crabapples anyway. Beautiful organism. There's no need for me to talk too much when there's such a beautiful thing in the camera, in the viewfinder. Look at its beautiful green wings, like a suit, aren't they? That's a microwave in the background. It's heating up cat food, that's what it's doing. Aren't you gorgeous? Look at you. That's it. Aren't you beautiful? Don't fly away. Well, I guess I'll go and have my breakfast anyway. They'll be here later on, maybe. Eating apples. Oh, look, it's eating an apple, a green apple. That's a green apple for eating. It would turn red when it was ripe. There you are. It's very hot today and I'm wearing thick woolen socks. There you are. So if you want to attract attract parrots to an Australian garden, just grow some apples. They like apricots as well. They also like plums. They like loquats. I'm going to go and have my breakfast, I think. It's lunchtime, so it's my breakfast time.